Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Maurya and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video I am going to talking about past perfect continuous tense. So friend, then let's get started. Past perfect continuous tense. Definition: we use this tense action that where we progress in the past. We use this tense action that were in the progress in the past. So फ्रेंड, देखते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस की पहचान। जिस क्रिया के अंत में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे समय के साथ लगा रहता है। जिस क्रिया के अंत में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे समय के साथ लगा रहता है, वो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस की पहचान होती है। दिस इज़ द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। दिस इज़ द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। So friend, look at this structure. Subject plus had plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for. Subject plus had plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since for. Friends, verb fourth form means verb with ing. Verb fourth form means verb with ing. Look at this example. वह 5 बजे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था। वह 5 बजे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था। He had been waiting for you since 5 o'clock. वह 5 बजे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था। He had been waiting for you since 5 o'clock. So friends, I am going to talking about negative sentence. Look at this structure. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus duration. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus duration. Friend, duration means sincere for. Duration means sincere for. Look at this example. Look at this example. मैं 3 घंटों से नहीं दौड़ रही थी। मैं 3 घंटों से नहीं दौड़ रही थी। I had not been running for 3 hours. मैं 3 घंटों से नहीं दौड़ रही थी। I had not been running for 3 hours. So friend, I am going to talking about interrogative sentence. Look at this structure. Had plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus duration plus question mark. Had plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus duration plus question mark. Look at this example. क्या वो 45 मिनट से बर्तन धो रही थी? क्या वह 45 मिनट से बर्तन धो रही थी? Had she been doing the dishes for the last 45 minutes? Had she been doing the dishes for the last 45 minutes? So friend, don't be forget a question mark end of interrogative sentence. So guys, how did you about this video? If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are watching my video on Facebook, please like my page. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.